struggle with chronic digestive issues, IBS, gas, bloating, this is the video for you. Here's the truth. Most of the advice you find about fixing your gut doesn't actually solve the deeper issues causing your bloating and discomfort. I struggled for, I would say, my entire life since I was a little girl with chronic digestive issues. I ended up figuring out I had 15 types of parasites, H. pylori, SIBO. I had mast cell activation. I had thyroid issues. I had hormone imbalances. And I went from doctor to doctor to doctor, drinking just a sip of water in the morning. I would look 6 months pregnant. I was so chronically constipated. I was literally getting I would go get the closed system colonics. I had over 150 of them in a matter of just a year and a half, with black coming out of me. And I was in such a bad place with my gut health. I'll be honest, guys. I tried all the things. I've done keto, carnivore, vegan, raw vegan, fruitarian. I've done fasting. I've done just everything out there. And when no one could heal me, I healed myself. I went back to school. I have my 4-year degree in kinesiology, CSCS. I'm a holistic nutrition consultant, GAPS practitioner, and I'm about to have my FDN practitioner in just a matter of 2 weeks. And the gut is literally my specialty. And today I'm going to take you through the top 3 reasons why the traditional gut fixes that you're doing are not working, why they're not getting to the root cause, because I just doing every diet and doing all the things that you're going to hear that we're going to go into, but I was not getting better. And by making the small changes that I'm going to share, wait to the end, I'll share, I was able to get better and get my food back. I was down to 3 foods. So the first big thing is probiotics alone are not the answer. And I did a whole video on my YouTube called Stop Taking Probiotics, where I dived so much more into detail on this. But if we have something called SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, for example, adding in probiotics can actually make things worse. And it could even increase the number of bacteria in the small intestine, which can lead to more bloating and discomfort. And for someone like SIBO, I had SIBO. I work with clients that struggle with SIBO, mold, Lyme disease, breast implant illness, Hashimoto's. And when we have SIBO, it really requires targeted treatment to restore the balance in the gut microbiome. It's not just about adding the probiotics. And then another example on that is if we just go straight to probiotics, if we have something like histamine issues and mast cell activation, and if you would like me to do a whole video on like acid reflux, mast cell activation, eczema, because I had eczema, rosacea all over my face, I had the mast cell, I would love to do that. Drop it in the comments. But coming back to it, if we just throw in probiotics and we're that person that has histamine issues, a lot of these probiotics can actually increase histamine in the body. And histamine, some little symptoms of having an overload of your bucket of your histamine, is things like you could be I can never pronounce it, but your nose will start running everywhere. Your eyes will. I would get chronic migraines. I would start getting red splotches. My head would get so itchy to where I would actually itch to where I would get scabs on my head and have to get steroid creams and put that all over my scalp, and it would burn so bad. And that was just from having things that were higher in histamine, and probiotics is one of them. So one thing, we have all the gut issues going on. Don't just say probiotics alone are going to fix us, because if we aren't getting to the root cause of why we're having these gut issues, and we have things like SIBO or histamine issues, or specific food sensitivities, because some of the probiotics have dairy in them, or some of the fermented foods that are high in probiotics have garlic and onion, which are higher FODMAP, and they could have a very strong antimicrobial effect on someone if they have a lot of dysbiosis, so it could cause die-off and make them feel worse. So as you see, probiotics aren't the answer. Now, go to my YouTube, check out my probiotic video, and head over to my case studies playlist and check out those stories there where I take you step by step how to heal, and if we are sensitive to probiotics, what to do. Now let's go to the second one. And the second one is eliminating foods temporarily. This was me and so many of my clients, because when we have all these gut issues, we're like, I want to do a test and figure out what my food sensitivities are. Maybe I cut out dairy or gluten. And while cutting out dairy or gluten might help you reduce symptoms in the short term, it doesn't address the root cause of your gut dysfunction. If you are not fixing that underlying issue, your body will eventually start reacting to other foods, and you'll just end up back at that square one. I want to give a really good example. I'm going to share with you about me, my gut journey, because I was down to 3 foods, and I have a lot of clients come to me that they're down to minimal foods, and they're even reacting to those minimal foods. And then they're developing fear of food because they're so bloated. They're having such bad constipation or IBS and such bad gas pains. One of my clients, Maroki, her story's up in the case studies. Everything would cause her gut-wrenching pains. Gone after we healed her gut. And I took you through a whole protocol on that case studies playlist on my YouTube. Now, my diet. When I had all my gut issues, I cut everything out. Like I said, I did keto, carnivore, vegan, raw vegan, fruitarian. I just ate bananas for months, mono fruit island. And this is the deal. Cutting all that food out, and when we just go to diets like the low FODMAP diet, I'm going to use that as a better example. So I did the low FODMAP diet too, and what that stands for is fermentable carbohydrates. I have a video on my YouTube of that. But with the fermentable carbohydrates, a lot of us, when we have gut issues, we cut those out. And what you realize is you have less symptoms because you're not having the fermentation that could be reacting due to gut dysbiosis. But then if you don't get to the root cause and heal the gut and also correct the insufficiencies, when you add those FODMAPs back in, and those are things like onion, garlics are big ones in there to react big to those, then you're going to have all the symptoms again. So if you just eliminate the food, but you don't figure out, okay, what the root cause is and correct that, and then actually heal the gut and seal the gut lining so that the food and the particles aren't leaking into the bloodstream and you're reacting to them, then hey, we're going to be able to actually add the food back in. And that, I have to share a story because I had a client come to me. She was on, like I said, just like me, 3 foods, looked 6 months pregnant, SIBO, parasites, chronic stress and anxiety, because those come all when you got the gut issues and you can't go to the bathroom. And the whole thing is what we did is we focused on, again, getting to the root cause, correcting her insufficiencies, things like stomach acid was low on her, which denatures protein. We got her gut motility working to where she was starting to have daily bowel movements. And we did specific things to heal her gut lining. So over the 12 weeks working with me, because we got to the root cause and healed the gut, she started having less pain, less bloating in a matter of just the first 2 weeks, daily bowel movements. And then we were able to expand her diet because we worked on the stress, the stomach acid and all that. Her body was actually able to break down the food. She had no bloating with it because we were able to heal the gut. She was able to add things in at the end of the 90 days that she would be so reactive to the beginning. And even Maroki, the one beauty I was talking about earlier, the one on my case studies playlist, she was able to have specific triggers like dairy and gluten further in her gut healing journey a few months after we finished working together. And she wasn't having that gut wrenching pain because she was wine tester. She shares her whole story there. It's amazing. But whole point is if you eliminate the foods, you don't heal the gut, and you don't get to the root cause of what the issues are, then issues will come right back. And one other thing I want to add to that, stress is a big one here and something really big that I work with my clients with. When we have these gut issues, we're often those busy people. We're go, go, go. We have a lot of chronic anxiety. Then since we're reacting to all these foods, we're so stressed out about what to eat, when to eat, the foods to eat, then we're second guessing the food. I was there, and we just want to feel better. Chronic fatigue, low energy, all of it comes together. And it's just, I really understand how you guys feel when it comes down to it, but the stress and looking at our lifestyle and making changes, I feel like those have been such big parts of my client's healing journey. When we're working together, we're making the adjustments each week. We're talking about what struggles we were going through, the mindset. I struggled with an eating disorder. I almost got back into one when I got all these gut issues. I had such severe low confidence. I had done all the crazy, you see it. And when I got my health back, I had to really take control of my stress and really find my balance. And that's a huge part of healing. And it really is. And by healing, you can lose weight. That's a big deal. Now, we're going to go into the third one, but I am so excited. We're doing it because if you're ready to stop chasing quick fixes and start truly healing your body, balancing your hormones, losing fat, eliminating cravings, getting your energy back, I call it stronger and sexier with age. I want to help you with that. And our 90-day whole body transformation program, it focuses on real science-backed solutions to muscle building, fat loss, hormone balance, specific for my woman 30 plus. And this program is designed to help you rebuild your gut, your hormones, the stress, the sleep, teach you everything so that you are able to not just get the results, but this is the key, sustain those results. And if you are ready to do it, I want you to head to the description below. Our next 90-day whole body transformation is starting on January 13th, and I'm looking for 10 busy women ready to transform their body, their mind, their life. Get a personalized protocol tailored to you, home or gym based. And I'm just so excited. This is the first one of the new year. It's going to be a big kickoff. So this is your unicorn moment. If you're ready to transform your body, get your health back, and then learn everything so you have longevity, gut, hormones, fat loss, when to eat, what to eat, the foods to eat, head over to the description below or send me that DM ready on Instagram and we will personally set up a call to see you for that perfect fit. Mwah! I can't wait. We're coming back to it. I want to head back and I want to talk to you guys about the third biggest thing, and it's the detoxes and the quick fixes, because I see all of these different supplements everywhere and I hear it from my clients. Elizabeth, I want to do this cleanse and I want to take this detox and I want to take this supplement for colostrum and all of these different things out there. And I was that person. I would go to the store. I would spend hundreds of dollars on supplements. I would come home. I would have a reaction to the supplement, or I would feel a little bit better short term, but not really that much better. And I would always just feel like more kind of setback. And when it comes down to it, the supplements, the quick fixes, these aren't getting to that root cause. They don't address things that, like the stress, the sleep, the dysbiosis. You need something personalized to you. And the reason I want to say this is because I was that person that would Google everything and then buy everything. And my clients are the same way. Like I have a client, Robin, she is amazing. She was taking so many, I think her husband was so excited when she started with me because she ended up saving a couple $100 a month on supplements and actually getting results after years of the opposite. And my whole thing is coming back to it is I see so many women, they're spending so many money on all these supplements, but the supplements aren't actually specific to their body, their hormones, and actually to get them what they need. And when we focus on the specific ones to your unique body, you're able to actually utilize them to bridge the gaps while working on the other external factors, the stress, the sleep, the hormones, the gut, the nutrition, all of that. And then our body starts working in this homeostasis and it starts really coming together. So the supplements, they do help in specific things. If we have a lot of gut issues, things like low stomach acid or dysbiosis, we need specific protocols to help, but it's about getting the right one for you and not just utilizing them versus looking at all the others. You can't fix stress with a pill. Simple. Well, I just want to say I am so grateful for you guys joining me today. If you struggle with chronic digestive issues, I highly recommend that you go watch this video that I'm going to put at the end of the YouTube here. And it is on my full SIBO story. I have a 3-part series. And then again, check out my case studies playlist. And I have so many freebies always in the description. So always check the description of my videos on my YouTube. I have a free meal prep guide. I have free smoothie guides. I have also, you want to be on my subscription list for hearing all my latest big exciting announcements. And then I have also all of my favorite supplements, all gut-friendly hormone balancing there for you. Drop a comment below. Let me know if you guys need anything. And remember, it is coming 2025. If you are ready, this is your call. Head over. Let's do this. My 90-day whole body transformation. Let's crush it together and get you feeling your strongest, sexiest self. It's truly my passion. Mwah! Love you guys.